everybody. I'm Donna Traynor, one of the presenters. This is the other one, my colleague here, Noel Thompson. We are absolutely delighted. Some of my other colleagues here, Angelina Fusco, our editor, we're here today and they're giving us a bit of support. And we are thrilled to receive this. I've renamed it Oscar Oak. So you're all getting an Oscar Oak tonight, but we're absolutely delighted. This award has been presented for a special BBC Newsline, which we broadcast on May the 8th. Devolution Day, another one of those historic days, and it was a great programme to work on, and we are honoured to receive this award tonight. Noel.
I was saying it took 800 years to make that programme. This is probably the longest gestation in history. On behalf of the very many talented and dedicated people it takes to put out an hour of live current affairs outside broadcast television, I'm delighted to accept this award. We like to think that we hone the skills that enable us to pull out the stops on a big day in the daily news factory, where we produce perhaps more mundane, but perhaps programmes that are harder to put together. So tune in for yourself, Monday to Friday, 6:30, make your own mind up. Thank you very much indeed.